Hello, Coach K community. Let's do a full body workout using your weights. Let's go ahead and get started with that warm up. Just make sure real quick that your weights are towards the end of your mat, opposite of where you're going to stand. So what I mean by that is my feet are on one side of my mat, my weights are on the opposite side. We want to make sure those weights are ready to go because it's gonna go right away from no weights to weights. So feet are gonna come flat onto your mat. You're gonna take a nice big inhale. Exhale, roll your shoulders back, tuck your chin, start to fold forward, rolling down, reaching for those toes, pause. Now slow and controlled, walk those hands out into a lovely high plank here. Press away from that mat, pull those ribs in. In 5, you're gonna walk it back. In 3, 2, 1, slow and controlled, you're gonna walk it back. Slowly roll it all the way up. One more. Taking that nice big inhale. Exhale. Drop those shoulders. Tuck that chin. Articulate down. Reaching for those toes. Taking that nice big inhale. Exhale. Let's walk it out into that high plank there and hold. Now from here, take one of your weights to your right hand. Left hand stays down on the mat. Right hand. We're going to pike our hips up. Come back down into a plank. Now the next time you pike your hips up, swoop your right arm to the left leg. Bring it back on in for 10, 9, 8, 7, going 6. We have 5, going 4, going 3. We got 2. One more here. And bring it on in. Left hand now is gonna have the weight. Same thing, pike your hips up, swoop the left hand to the right leg, come back down to a plank. We got 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, almost there, 2, one more, scoop, reach, bring it on in, whoo, shake it on out. So you're gonna keep that weight in your left hand, come down onto your hands and knees, wrists are right underneath those shoulders, knees are right underneath those hips. Now from here, we're gonna start with our base layer. Extend your right leg behind you nice and straight. Slow and controlled, resist your right leg up. Slow and controlled, touch it back on down for 10. Squeeze through that hamstring, squeeze through that glute. Keep that core nice and tight for 8. Going 7. Get that chin off that chest. Going 6. Press away from that mat. Don't push your shoulders into those ears. 5. What's gonna happen is in 4, we're gonna add a left row. In 3, 2, one more, bring it on down. Now, you're going to bend your left elbow, pull back your hand. So what I mean with that, bend the left elbow, pull back the hand towards your hip, re-extend it back on down. So now lift your right leg, bend the left elbow together, touch down. Whoa, totally just lost my balance there, sorry. Let's try that again. Bend the left elbow, reach the right leg, touch back down for 10, 9, going 8, going 7, in 6. I'm gonna add one more layer in 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. Now, we're going to lift the right leg, bend the left elbow, pause. Now the second the left hand, right leg touch down, lift into a single leg plank. Pull that left knee up. Touch the left knee down, right away. Lift the right leg, bend the left elbow, Touch both back down, lift. You got this. We got 10 of these. Find that control. Go at your own pace here. We don't want to rush the transitions. Take your time for 6. What's going to happen is in 5, we're gonna hold that single leg plank. In 4, 3, woo, 2, 1 more. We're gonna finish it out. So you go lift the leg, bend the elbow, push it down, lift, hold that single leg plank. Now pulse that left leg for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Bring it on in. You're gonna grab both of your weights. You're gonna come up into a high kneel. We're gonna start with those arms right in front of our body. I'm gonna stay kind of like at a diagonal here, so you guys can see what my hips are about to do and what my upper body is gonna do. So hands come in front. We'll start with just the upper body. Slow and controlled, reach those arms forward. Slow and controlled, bring them back on down for 10. What's gonna happen is in 9, gonna add like a little squat here. In 8. Now, being on your knees is not for you. Guess what? Go to a full stand. You can do the same thing in a full stand. What's gonna happen is in 5. As those arms go forward, we're gonna sit back towards those heels in 4, 3, 2, 1 more here of just the arms. Bring it on in. So now lift your arms, send those hips back, squat it down. Squeeze your glutes, slowly resist those arms for 10, 9, keep those shoulders back and down. Weight is going towards those heels, towards those feet, not into those knees. In 6, I'm gonna change our arms. If you're in that full stand, you're doing a regular squat for me. Same thing, just not on those knees. In 3, we're gonna open out to the sides. In 2, last one here. Bring it on in. So, hands down, go to the sides of the body. Don't do any squats, just lift those arms away. Bring them back on in. Keep a soft bend into those elbows there for me. Going 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 more here. Now we add the squat. Raise those arms, sit back. Bring it back on into the center for 10, 9, 8, 7, go in 6, you have 5, go in 4, what's gonna happen is in 3, we're gonna stay up in that high kneel, arms stay out to the sides, 2, last one, send it on back, bring it forward, now hold, arms out to the sides, pulse them up for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, whoo! Shake it on out. Last thing here in the high kneel. Bring your hands heart center. Elbows can relax down. You're gonna slow and controlled. Send your hips back. Slow and controlled, squeeze those glutes, come all the way up for 10. Take it slow. 9. Breathing through it. Now holding that breath. 8. 7. Go in 6. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 more. Send it back. Squeeze all the way up to the top. Shake it on out. So now we gotta do that whole series now, that single leg reach with your left leg. So I'm gonna turn and face the other way. Just need one weight for this. It's gonna go into your right hand this time. Left hand goes down to the mat. Right knee is gonna be your stabilizer. Slow and controlled, extend your left leg behind you. Keeping that left leg straight, slow and controlled, lift that left leg up. Slow and controlled, lower it back on down for 10. 9. Get that chin off that chest. 8. Close your ribs in 7. Going 6. We're not swinging that leg. It's slow and controlled for 4. 3, 2, last one. Now add your right row. You lift the left leg, row your right arm. Touch back on down for 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. Now we add the plank. So we lift the leg, lift the arm, touch down to the mat, push up into a plank, tuck your right knee in. Touch the right knee down, lift the leg and the arm for 10. 9. You're almost there. Go in 8. Breathe through it. Don't hold that breath. Just know today, it's a little bit on the athletic side. I hope you guys are feeling that burn today. You could always go back, make this more challenging, add ankle weights. Grab heavier dumbbells. In 3, we're gonna hold that plank, hold that right knee tucked in. 2 more. Lift, touch down, lift the knee, last one. But let's hold it here. Now pulse that right knee in. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Shake it on out. Nice job. Go ahead, lay all the way down onto your back. Let's stretch it away. Once you're on your back here, take your feet flat onto the mat. Knees are bent. Take your right leg, bring it up and over that left knee. Open that right knee and press it down for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right foot goes down, left leg comes up and over. Drop that left knee out, press that left knee for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it on in. For the upper body, go ahead, reach those hands up towards that ceiling, stretch it away. Reach it behind that head for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it on in. Slow and controlled, go ahead and sit all the way up. Let's end with that seated meditation here. Hands are gonna come to that stomach. Roll your shoulders back. Close those eyes. Let's take in that lovely big inhale. Let that stomach rise. Let it fill with all of that air. Exhale it all out for 3, 2, 1. One more here. Taking that lovely big inhale. Exhale it out because you crushed it today. You did amazing for 3, 2, 1. Well, I hope to see you in the next video. Otherwise, have an awesome rest of your day. Bye.